Alright, we are back outside for the second time. As you can see, it is snowing like crazy, and Luna wants to go in apparently. Luna, what are you doing? Hey, careful, the door's gonna close. Oh, brr, that one's cold. Snowing pretty good out. I have a sweatshirt now. I already had a sweatshirt. I have pants now and some slippers I stole from my dad, or whatever you want to call these things. They're actually really warm. My sweatpants and sweatshirt, on the other hand, are not warm enough. That wind's just cut through. Luna, come on. Run out that way. There you go. I know you can't see her very well. She keeps taking off. Here, Luna, come on. Come up by the light. Oh, now I'm in the light. Luna. Oh, she's going in the garage. Oh, that was cold. My phone is soaking wet now. Luna, you wanna go play out? Go play outside? Luna, come on. Luna. Hey, Mom. What? Clean off my screen. That didn't really work. Luna, come on. Come on. Luna. Come on, let's go play outside. You wanted to play out here and now you don't? Or what's going on? Ready, go. Dad's truck. Family Suburban. Oh, brr, that went right down my back. I have a hood on. My car. My sister's car. Sort of. My brother's old car. Now my sister's, because she just got her license like 2 weeks ago. Yeah, it's kind of scary. Is that way? Side yard, I guess, is that way. And then our backyard's back behind the house, obviously. Oh, I should probably show you my Christmas light, or the Christmas lights, so not mine. Come on, Luna. Go out in front. There we go. Women's wandering around, but here's the Christmas lights. Not much, but how are you just sitting there? She just sits down in the snow. Like, yeah, Dad, it's warm. Oh, taking off. Luna, my hands are freezing. Everything else is okay. Yeah, my back's a little cold because the wind keeps going up the back of the sweatshirt. Brrr. Sorry, just repositioning my hand. There we go. Luna. Who's that? Who's out there? Or in there, technically. Who? Running around and sitting in it and running some more. Luna, where are you going? I can't see you in the camera. Stop wrapping yourself around here. Yeah, that's gonna be horrible video running. Luna, I can't run and video at the same time. It's horrible. Brr. I still haven't figured out what the button on the camera does. It's actually my phone, but there's a white button on the very bottom, right corner. It doesn't actually do anything when you push it. And my finger's frozen. Like actually frozen. I can't feel it anymore. Get the football, get the football. Ready? Ready? Watch out, I'm gonna kick it. No, watch out. Ready? Oh, now she's not even going after the football. Now she went after it, sort of. Luna, can we come out here tomorrow and play? I know you like it, but I'm not really dressed for it. Alright, let's lock it so you can't run on me. Nope, can't go that far. It's the road. No more. Can't go any further, Luna. Come on. Oh. Oh. Coming up to the tree line. Well, actually, it's just bushes. Trees are over there. Oh, another pole barn. Luna, come on. Let's go this way. Oh, boy. Alright, I think 7.5 minutes out here is good enough. It's gonna be 8 by the time we get back in. No, come on. Come on, time to go inside. Time to go inside. Go inside. You're at least running towards the... Oh, there's our deck lights. I forgot to show you those. Luna, come on. Good girl. Yes, there's the hose. You probably gotta go potty. Hey, no, Luna. Don't get wrapped up. Come on. Come on. Okay, this is really slippery shit. I've almost fallen like 3 times. Alright, sorry about the crappy video, because that's going to be shaky, it's going to be blurry, and holy crap, I'm cold. Alright, we're going inside.